again. Welcome to Spoonful Easy Cooking.
Hello, Sasha here. Hello.
Okay, Saisha has joined me for this cooking today. I'm going to make a very interesting and one of our kids' favorite snacks today. So it's called as, we have named it as cheese burst, bread cheese burst. So today was the eclipse, solar eclipse. So I thought something I'll create for my kids in the shape of an eclipse. So does it sound interesting? Without much delay, let me show you how to make bread cheese bursts. So for that, what I have taken, normal bread slices. Then I have taken some cheese. If you have mozzarella cheese at home, that would be the best for this recipe. But I don't have mozzarella cheese. So I have taken some slices of cheese. Any cheese would be fine. Then what you need is a round shape cutter. If you have a cutter at home, best. But I didn't have cutter at present. So I have taken one lid of a bottle. We need some water to seal and some chocolate syrup and some butter to roast. So let's get started. Take slice of bread. Take a lid this way and let's make roundels. Here we go. What we need is round shape. This you don't have to discard. We can roast it and make breadcrumbs out of it or some puddings or something. We can make out of this. Okay. Now what we have to do is take a slice of cheese. We don't need the whole cheese. Just cut it this way and put it in the center and cut it. Now take little water on the sides this way. Press it slightly. This way. Press it gently and fold this.
This is my sister and my mommy's and my favorite.
Mama's also, yes, I too like it. So we tried it. So as today was solar eclipse day, so I thought, let me show my kids half moon shape cheese burst. Take the same way, similarly, make it, I will show you once again. Let's cut it this way and make round shape. Okay, this we can discard. This we don't need the crust. By the time I do the second one, let's lit the gas and keep. We'll allow it to become hot. Now take our cheese again this way and cut it. Take some water, seal this. If in between your bread gets, broken, when you do this way, if it gets cracked, I'll show you. If you make half moon and it gets cracked, no problem. Just take some water and seal this way. Nothing to worry. Okay? It's not got spoiled. So just seal it and keep it. So I have just kept everything ready. I'll show you. See our lot of cheese bursts are ready. Now what we need to do, take butter. Our pan is hot. Let us make it sim. It has to be on low heat. Don't make it high heat, otherwise the butter will turn brown in color immediately. And just a swirl, and each of them goes this way.
Mama, I can't wait to have it. My stomach is growling. He's asking for food.
Yes, it's a Sunday. Kids are at home. Anyways, we are all at home. So I am at home, in fact. I'm not gone for my work. So I thought, let me make something special for my kids. So allow it to nicely slide brown in color one side, and then we will turn upside down. Let's turn it upside down. Yes, it's nice. Crunchy. Even I like the snacks. Saisha said the right thing. Mama also likes it. All of you must try and ask your kids to prepare. This is not that tough, right? So kids can also be part of it. But
Mama,
with
it
the,
looks so yummy.
yes, it is yummy. So these are our cheese burrs getting ready for the evening snacks. So this is almost done. It's 2 more minutes. Yes, it's brown. So let's off the gas. Switch off the gas. And let us serve. Should serve it hot. Don't delay because it needs to be had hot. If it is mozzarella cheese, it will taste much better. Here we go. Ours is ready just for garnish to attract the kids. Let's swirl some Hershey's on it. How does this look? Yes, yummy. Here we go. Our bread cheese bursts are ready. Garnished with Hershey's sauce, chocolate sauce. I can't wait to have it. Let me show you. Wow. It was so yummy. All must try. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to Spoonful Easy Cooking, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more new exciting and easy recipes. Till then, bye-bye.
Bye.